What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of the Millennial Gems podcast. It's your host, KILLA, and today I wanted to talk about the pivot that I decided to make last year. So, as you guys know, kind of, I started doing bookkeeping at the end of around 2024. And I decided to then introduce taxes around 2025. I think it was about September 2025, right? But also in the midst of doing that, I had started doing day trading again with options. And so, I've been kind of shifting more of my energy towards that because I'm starting to realize that based on my personality and, you know, based on like the things that I've done over the last 6 years, I think day trading is definitely the craft and skill set that I want to just be 2 feet in on. Now, don't get me wrong, I still want to have a business that provides me cash flow because that's very much important. But I like the day trading, and I would like to become a full time day trader. But also, I would like to have a business that I can still earn cash flow from as well. So, with that being said, I am still going to be doing taxes for this year for 2026. Um, so when tax season rolls around, come top of 2027, I'll be ready to do your taxes for 2026. So I'll still have that business going if anybody is interested for that. But I'm going to be shifting my focus definitely into day trading for sure full time. Like I'm not day trading full time just yet, but I'm trying to get better at day trading, just dedicate more of my time to that so that way I can get to it full time because I believe that's what fits my personality. Simply because one, I don't have to do any type of marketing of any product or service. I don't have to do any type of sales, anything like that. Not saying that I have a problem with, talking to people, but I don't have to communicate with customers or customer complaints or, deal with any type of customer service. Day trading just kind of allows me to be in my own bubble and just focus on my charts, just focus on my discipline, my patience, just focus on me. Um, so, and again, like I'm not opposed to helping anybody if anybody is actually interested in learning how to day trade. I am part of a community called TSA, the School of Threaded Arts. So I will definitely leave the link in the bio or in the description and you can tap in with us. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of just come on and talk about my pivot to day trading. I just a kind of quick little history lesson. I did do day trading early on when the pandemic started back in 2020. I was in forex, which I know a lot of people like to continue to give a bad rap, about like continue to talk crap about. But you can actually make money in forex. All it was just I was a part of a multi-level marketing company that, yeah, it was just that was a mess. But I would never do that again. But day trading for sure, I would definitely do that. Hence why I'm doing it now. I do stock options. I've moved from forex. I still do long term investing, but yes, I learned day trading then. So all the fundamentals about market structure, support and demand, how to read candlesticks, bearish and bullish. I learned all that early on. So I just decided that last year, 2025, right before I kind of went on my cruise, like I was just like, I want to give this day trading thing, another shot and try to see, if can I master it? Can I really stick through with it? And be quite honest, like I said, it fits my personality because all I have to do is focus on me. I don't have to worry about being responsible for anybody else but me. So yeah, I like doing the day trading thing. No matter how anybody else may feel about it, I like it. Still getting better, still learning. So it's gonna take time, but I'm 2 feet in with it. So that's really all I wanted to kind of just catch you guys up on. yeah, tap in with any other episodes. You know, it's still gonna be dropping episodes with other, entrepreneurs and stuff like that. Still gonna try to give you guys content when I can. And yeah, tap in. You already know what it is. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and follow on Apple Podcasts, Spotify Podcasts, any of your podcast platforms. Make sure you share it, catch on any episodes that you're not already caught up on. And listen, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.